Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bitwarden for secure password sharing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Bitwarden website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong master password that meets Bitwarden's security requirements. Confirm your master password by re-entering it in the provided field. Once you've filled in your information, click on the Submit button to create your account. You will receive a verification email from Bitwarden. Open your email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. After verifying your email, return to the Bitwarden login page. Enter your email address and master password, then click Login. Upon logging in, you will be directed to your Bitwarden vault. To begin sharing passwords securely, select the item you wish to share. Click on the Share option available in the Items settings. Choose whether to share the item with specific users or groups. If sharing with users, enter their Bitwarden email addresses in the provided field. Adjust the permissions by selecting options for read or edit access as necessary. After setting up the sharing options, click on Save Changes to finalize the sharing settings. You can manage shared items anytime through the Organization section if you have a premium account. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of protection for your shared passwords. Review and update shared items regularly to ensure they remain secure and relevant. By following these steps, you can efficiently register with Bitwarden and share passwords securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.